Greetings, warriors and curious minds. Welcome back to Why Do and How Do Journey. Today, we're donning our armor and delving into the world of the samurai, exploring the intriguing question, why did samurai follow a code of honor? Join us as we unsheath the katana of knowledge and uncover 5 other fascinating facts about these legendary warriors. Let the journey into the samurai's way begin. Fact 1. Bushido, the way of the warrior. Bushido, translated as the way of the warrior, was the samurai code of conduct. It emphasized a strict set of virtues and principles that guided the behavior of the samurai. These principles included righteousness, courage, benevolence, respect, honesty, honor, and loyalty. The samurai lived their lives adhering to these values, both on and off the battlefield. Bushido not only shaped their ethical behavior, but also influenced their societal role as guardians and leaders. Fact 2. Samurai origins and early history. The samurai originated in ancient Japan as provincial warriors tasked with protecting the imperial court. Over time, they evolved into a distinct warrior class with their own code of conduct and a growing influence in Japanese society. The early samurai were skilled horsemen and archers, and their role expanded to become the ruling class during the feudal era. They played a crucial role in shaping Japan's history and culture. Fact 3. The samurai's weapon mastery. The katana, the iconic curved sword, was the primary weapon of the samurai. Fact number 3 explores the significance of the katana in the samurai's identity. Beyond its practical use in combat, the katana represented the soul of the samurai and was considered a symbol of their honor and social status. Samurai underwent rigorous training to master the art of swordsmanship, and the katana became an extension of their spirit. Fact 4. The role of samurai women. Contrary to the common perception of male-dominated warrior societies, samurai women, or onna bugeisha, played significant roles in Japanese history. Fact number 4 sheds light on these skilled female warriors who were trained in martial arts and combat. While their roles varied, from defending the home to actively participating in battles, onna bugeisha challenged gender norms and contributed to the samurai legacy. Fact 5. The decline of the samurai. As Japan underwent political and social changes in the late 19th century, including the Meiji Restoration, the samurai class faced a decline. Fact number 5 explores how the introduction of firearms, centralized government control, and modernization led to the dissolution of the samurai's traditional role. The end of the samurai era marked a profound shift in Japanese society and the transition to a more modernized nation. Fact 6. Samurai legacy in modern culture. The final revelation, fact number 6, highlights the enduring legacy of the samurai in modern culture. From movies and literature to martial arts practices like kendo and iaido, the spirit of the samurai continues to captivate and inspire. The values of honor, discipline, and bravery embedded in Bushido remain influential, shaping cultural expressions worldwide. There you have it, warriors and enthusiasts, a riveting journey into why did samurai follow a code of honor and 5 other facts about samurai. If this exploration has ignited your curiosity like the sparks of a forging sword, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Why Do and How Do Journey for more cultural odysseys. Until our next adventure, may your spirit be as indomitable as a samurai's resolve.